Hey there! If you're having trouble tuning on the automatic time zone selection feature on your Windows 11 computer because it's grayed out, no worries. I've got you covered with a simple solution. Let's dive right into it. First off, head over to the Settings app on your computer. After that, navigate to Privacy and Security from the menu on the left side. Then, scroll down a bit until you reach the App Permission section. Once you're there, click on Location. Next up, toggle on Location Services. Also, make sure to turn on the option that says Let App Access Your Location. And don't forget to ensure that Settings has access to your location as well. Now, you should be good to go to turn on the Set Time Zone Automatically feature. To double check, check on Time and Language from the left side menu. Then, hit Date and Time. You'll notice that the option is no longer grayed out and you can easily turn it on. And there you have it. Now you can use the Set Date and Time Automatically feature on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.